Now let's talk about the basic, which are the positively charged amino acids. So for this, we have lysine, we have arginine, we also have histidine. And what you have for your side chains, you have a long NH3 plus tail. For your side chain here, you have guanidium. And for your side chain, you have imidazole ring. Now, the abbreviation lys, arg, and his are what you have. And remember, at a charge of, for the charge at a pH of 7, lysine is going to be positive, this is going to be positive, and this is sometimes, histidine is sometimes going to be positive. Now, histidine has a pKa of approximately 6, and histidine is buffering, which we wrote up here. In addition, arginine is almost always positive. And all of these, they bind DNA, because DNA is negative and these are positive. So just think, their abbreviations are K, R, H, so that means basic. Now let's move on to the aromatic amino acids. Now we have phenylalanine. We also have tyrosine, and we have tryptophan, and these are letters F, Y, and W. Abbreviation Phe, tri, and trip. Now you can imagine these in the following molecules. You have COO minus, you have CH3N, you have CH2C double bonded to C, you have this, you have NH, and then here you have COO minus, CH3N, and then this is going to be attached to a CH2. This is going to be here, and then you're going to have 2 bonds here, here, and this is going to be our aromatic parts. You're going to have COO minus, you're going to have CH2, you're going to have H here, you're going to have H3N minus, you're going to have CH2, you're going to attach here, you're going to have this hexagonal shape. And this is going to be attached to OH. And this is going to be this entire piece here that you have to be able to identify. arginine. Yes. Okay. Now, let's continue on with our sulfur-containing amino acids. Now, for our sulfur-containing amino acids, we have the amino acid of cysteine and methionine, and the roles of each of these is a disulfide bond, and also this has a start codon. And remember, disulfides means protein stability. These are what each of these do. Now, moving on to summarizing all of the charges. Our positive charges, again, are going to be lyse, arg, and his. Our negative charge are going to be asp, d, glue, e, and then your neutral are going to be all the others. So again, for ring we have the aromatic. F, Y, W, and also H. For sulfur, we have C or M. For basic, we have K, R, and H. If it's really tiny, you have G. For acidic charge, you have D and E. For a locked ring, you have P. For tiny, you have G. For guanidium, you have R. And if you have a long NH3 plus tail, that means you have K.